Good morning. This is Sejal from StockQuint, and here is all the news you need to start your day. Let's start with the headlines of the day. D Street up for rupees 3,000 crore technical sell-off. Bonds cast a gloomy picture globally. Nestle replaces Indiabulls housing in nifty recast. India opens more door for FDIs. And we have more. Stay with us. Let's first take a quick glance at how are the markets looking like. Stocks are struggling to recover as global bond yields flirted with record lows amid economic turbulence, from intensifying US-China frictions to a no-deal Brexit, which are driving investors to safer harbor. Major US stock indices finished Wednesday trade higher. Dow gained 258 points or 1%. The S&P 500 rose 0.7% and the Nasdaq 0.4%. In the currency mart, the rupee declined by 29 paise to close at 71.77 against US dollar on Wednesday. Let me now quickly go over the top news we are tracking this morning. Bonds are telling a gloomy story. Bond markets around the world painted a gloomier picture with yields on 30-year US Treasuries and 10-year German bonds yield both hitting the record lows. Red carpet for FDI. India opened its doors to further to FDI, diluting the stringent condition of local sourcing for single brand retail in continuation of measures aimed at reviving growth. Indigo partners bury Hatchet. The battle between the co-promoters of India's largest airline by market share showed signs of a thaw after Mr. Rakesh Gangwal agreed to a new policy on related party transactions, and Rahul Bhatia said he had always credited his partner for his work. And Yes Bank has just been junked global ratings agency Moody's Investors Service on Wednesday. Downtraded Yes Bank's creditworthiness deeper into junk status, citing concerns over lower than expected capital raising recently. Now let's take a quick glance at some of the major corporate news this morning. Nestle India will replace non-banking finance player Indiabulls Housing Finance to enter the Nifty 50 index from September 27. RBI Bank stocks crashed to a 34-month low on Wednesday amid speculation about stock sales by employees in the wake of Cafe Coffee Day founder VG Siddharth's disappearance. Lakshmi Vilas Bank CEO has quit citing personal reasons, leaving a question mark on the execution of the lender's proposed merger with Indiabulls Housing Finance. A unit of IIFL Wealth Management has agreed to acquire L&T Finance Holdings wealth management business for 230 crore, the company said on Wednesday. The Ramco Siemens could surprise the street on earnings per share gains, and odds are shortening on mid-sized cement maker beating estimates of linear profit growth. Lastly, a look at the oil prices. Oil prices clutched to gains on Thursday after official data confirmed a big drop in US crude inventories. US crude rose 6 cents to $55.84 a barrel, while Brent crude was down 7 cents at $60.42. Thank you and have a nice day.